here's how to invest in SSB. First, you will need to be at least 18 years old. Otherwise, too bad, you have no choice but to ask your parents invest for you. Then you need to apply for a CDP account. Account opening takes about 10 business days to approve, yeah? You can apply for SSB through DBS POSB or OCBC or UOB, either through ATMs or internet banking. But I suggest that you do not use ATMs, yeah? Later you press long and the guy behind you not happy, yeah? You can apply using either cash or SRS, but not CPF money, yeah? CPF be like, no, we don't do that here. Application period starts from 6 PM on the first business day of the month and closes at 9 PM on the fourth last business day of the month. You can only apply for it from 7 AM to 9 PM from Monday to Saturday, yeah? Okay, let me just quickly show you how to invest in SSB via internet banking. If you are using POSB, go to Invest, Singapore Government Securities, choose SSB. Next, okay, then choose this month's SSB. Choose your nationality, whether you want to pay by cash or SRS, then fill in your CDP account number. As for the amount, let's try 69420. Just kidding, you can only apply a minimum of 500 to 200k in multiples of $500, meaning it can be 500, 1,500, $2,000 and so on. Let's try $500. Choose your account. Take note that there's a $2 fee whenever you apply. Once everything is okay, click next, check everything is alright, then submit. You will find out the result on the third last business day after 3 PM. Otherwise, you can also log in at My Savings Bonds portal to check your SSB holdings. Next, if you are using UOB, it's also super easy. On the left side, go to Investment, click IPO, Bonds, T-Bills. Then under Singapore Savings Bond, click Transact. Similarly, just fill in your info here. Finally, for OCBC, go to Investments and Insurance, click Singapore Government Securities, go to SSB, click Buy. Then fill in your stuff here. So that's how to buy SSB.